So, you want to become unstoppable at coding? A full-blown coding machine? All right, here's the truth. No fluff, no filler. Realize you have power. That's it. Seriously. See, coding doesn't have to be this soul-draining grind that you need to mentally brace yourself for. It shouldn't take 3 Red Bulls, a hype playlist, and a rewatch of Iron Man 1 just to open your IDE. But I get it. Sometimes it feels like homework. You start off hyped, and then, somewhere down the line, it morphs into just another to-do. That's when I had the shift that changed everything. Coding isn't studying. Studying is studying. And studying? Yeah, it's boring. Coding is art. It's creative. It's expressive. It's like making music or painting something that stops people in their tracks. But instead of a brush, you've got a keyboard. And instead of paint, you've got logic. Once I saw it that way, something even crazier clicked. I'm literally creating value out of thin air, like a magician, but with JavaScript. And instead of a wand, you guessed it, you've got a keyboard. That's power. And when you realize you have that kind of power, something changes. You don't just code, you want to master it. You want to level up. You want to get dangerous with it. Suddenly, coding isn't a chore, it's an obsession. Now, every time I learn something new, I'm locked in. Not because I have to, but because I know that knowledge is going to make my next project absolutely insane. Now it's your turn. Go make something. Build something. Surprise yourself. Oh, and before you do, smash that like button if this shifted how you think about coding. And hit subscribe to Shade of Code before C++ decides to evolve again.